Welcome back to another episode of Dr. Tastes Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're going to be doing up Sriracha lime shrimp over on the OnlyFire Outdoor Santa Maria attachment for the Weber Kettle. Enjoy. Alright, so I searched for about an hour for my Grill Beast impalers. I can only find one. So as a backup, I have these wooden Weber skewers that I'm going to skewer up with. I've been soaking them in water here, but we're going to jump right into the prep of the shrimp. Then we'll get our sauce made. Alright, so beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. About 80 degrees today. Here they are. So all I'm going to do here is try to get these out. Something like so. Now I'm a little rusty because my wife is actually allergic to shrimp. So she's out of town, so the boys are going to play here. Alright, let's get the sauce going. So we're going to add a stick of butter. Just going to pop this in, melt it down. And then to that, I'm going to add some garlic and ginger. Step number one. We'll be right back. Now all we're adding here to our butter, garlic, ginger mix, we're going to add some paprika. Go ahead and mix that a little bit. A little bit of lime juice. Maybe. All right. Some Sriracha. I thought I had more Sriracha than I did. I'll try to get this all in here. Probably have about a good 3-4 tablespoons. Make that 3. Alright, we'll get this all mixed up. We'll get those shrimp on. Just rake the fire out. Just gonna get it right underneath the edge here. So what we're looking for is like a 5 count. So we're gonna be cooking kind of up top here. Shrimp is gonna go super quick. But this way, hopefully, I can just have them and turn them on the edges. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's get this grill prepped and get them on. Alright, so these should cook it pretty quick. I'm just going to pop them on here. We'll adjust as needed. Might be doing these in a couple batches here. So I went ahead and I guess I can move my fire back if I want to. Kind of the cool thing is, when you, I wouldn't say screw up, but when you have a plan, you can always move it back. We'll shift these back. And I've already cooked some steaks tonight, so that's why we're dealing with just the coal bed we got. So what we're going to do here is actually drop her down. get it a little closer because we spread them out. I was trying to bring them forward here to get a little more heat. We'll run this side here. This should do the trick. Well, we're going to be watching for a little color change here. And these guys, you can see we're kind of, especially that one up there. We're getting a little bit. We'll flip them over, sauce them up, and just keep rolling. Let's have a go at these bad boys. There we go. Smell hot. See how we did. Possibly overcooked a little bit, but one more just for good measure. Probably not as hot as I was looking for them. But again, I had just limited amount of Sriracha on this one, so I'd probably add a little more Sriracha. But the flavor it's great. If you like a mild taste, if you want a little hotter, add a little hotter sauce or a little bit more Sriracha. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, out here in the 80-degree sunshine, having a great time today. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like. We'll put a subscribe icon for you. Right about there. Another video. Right about there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.